the app, guys, as you can imagine, one of the questions I'm asked a lot is a custom app worth it? And that can be a web app, or an iOS app, or an Android app, or all three, or a combination of any of those. And the answer for most people is no. Most of the time, you don't need a custom app. So there's three tiers of software. There's software that is ready to go that you subscribe to. HubSpot, maybe I use that as my CRM, maybe you do. That's a software you can just subscribe to. There's other softwares that's kind of a middle level, like Kajabi, where you can create more intricate, interactive courses and stuff like that, where modules are partly done for you, but you still have to work with it a little bit. So it's a platform that's ready to go for you to build something, but it has restricted feature sets. 3 is custom software, where you need something that is streamlined and collaborative, and the features work together and it looks exactly the way you need. Now, most of the time, you can get away with 1 or 2, one of those 2 tiers, subscribed or almost ready to go. Custom can really pay off for the right use cases. Now, let me preface with, custom is expensive. It takes a long time, usually 5 to 7 months for a small to medium-sized project. They are not short projects, and medium to large projects can easily be 6 to 12 months. It really depends on the project. So they take a while, they're expensive, but if you're doing it for the right use case, they pay off massively. We actually had a client that got millions of dollars invested, fully diluted, before a prototype was even done for a small percent of their app. And they're going to be just gigantic. They'll be a 9-figure company very, very quickly. But you have to make sure it's the right use case. So here are the 3 buckets that a custom app should generally fit in. Bucket number 1. Is the app something that will get you new clients? Now, if this is a brand new company and the app is the core product of the company, then sure, obviously that's going to get you new clients. Or maybe it's an existing company and your app is something that's going to generate leads, or it's a new income stream. Bucket number 2. Is the app something that will automate processes, internal processes, enough to save enough man hours for you to get upside over the course of 2 years or less? Will it be profitable in that way? You're going to lose maybe you're using like 5 different softwares to accomplish something you need, and they're not all quite working right, and everybody keeps having to learn all of these software, stuff like that, where it's like, hey, let's just build our own custom software and automate some of this stuff and get rid of some of the breakage and some of the man-hour leakage, that kind of thing. Bucket number 3, is the app something that will raise the lifetime value of your existing clients, the LTV of your existing clients? So you have existing clients, and maybe it's going to be a client management dashboard that's very specialized to your business, that is going to make your client relationships stronger, more fluid, communication more fluid, and therefore people are going to spend more with you. Or maybe it's going to allow them to upgrade their account, and the software that you're having us build is part of one of the upgrades that you're making available, something like that. So if it fits in one of those 3 buckets, it's a great fit for you. If it doesn't, you can probably get a software that is already built, or use a platform that has some pre-built features like Kajabi, depending on the use case.